Alright everyone, order from the rag company, got it pretty fast. Got some detailing supplies in here, so let's see. Packaging is pretty good, see that? Got the rags to riches here. From the rag company. Try it out. We'll put that right there. Get rid of that. And let's see what we got. Oh, here's all my rags. Look at that. These are my drying ones. The gray ones are the drying ones. The blue ones, those are my glass towels right there. Ooh, they feel nice. Nice and soft. Alright guys, sorry about that. Here we go. See, these are the glass ones, the waffle weave. They got the edgeless design on it. Nice, nice. See, they got the rag company logo on there. And then we got these drying towels here. They're like a PLUFFLE. It's a hybrid between the waffle weave and a plush. See the plush side there? And it's got the waffle weave. You can see kind of right there. Zoom in on it for you guys. So the next wash we do, we will try these out. But in the bag it says that they recommend, hold on, that says reminder, the rag company recommends that all microfiber products be washed before the first use. And there you go, that's how you wash them. I'm gonna put them in there with the rags to riches and see how it comes out. Alright guys, we're in the garage. See, I got my towels here. Got those towels, got the rags to riches. So I got my washer on medium. It's filling up right now. It's on regular colors. You see, so I already got some rags to riches in there. I got the drying towels in there. So this is the first wash of them. I thought these drying towels were bigger, but maybe I got the wrong size. But I'll let you guys know how they come out of the wash. Alright everybody, not sure if this thing's got a microphone or not, but here we are with the first wash. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out of the washer. Go ahead and put them in the dryer. See by what I mean, they're not very big. About the size of my washer lid right there. So we'll go ahead and just grab them all right here. And then we can just throw them in there. Alright, so now we got them all in here. I don't know. Can you guys, you guys can't see the settings on. Well, I'm just gonna put it on the. Let's see. So, can you guys see now? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on a. Oh man, it's not focusing. Alright, there we go. So I'm just gonna put it on casual, medium heat, and then I'm gonna put it on you know, casuals, more to dry. That way they come out dry. Then I'm gonna wash my waffle weave towels here. And I'm gonna put them in here with the rags to riches, so just so you guys can see. Same settings, not gonna change nothing. Go ahead and start filling it up. And right here on the rags to riches, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it has a bubble right here, and on the bubble it has 1 ounce. So basically you just squeeze and squeeze until it hits 1 ounce on the line right there. I don't know if you guys can see, that's half ounce, 1 ounce is up here. Then you just get it and just pour it in there, and that's it. Just put the cap back on. And then just throw your towels in there. Well, that's 12 right there. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles right there. Alright guys, we're back, and yeah, they're done. So this wash is, or the dryer is done, and the wash is ready to go in the dryer. So I'll pull these out real quick and put them in a box or somewhere, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw these into the dryer and finish that load. And I'm gonna go ahead and fold up these right here, and then go ahead and store them and get them ready for a wash that I got coming up soon. So give me a sec, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, I pulled one out of the dryers right here, and man, it is soft and fluffy. Look at that. And like I said, this is a hybrid. This is like a waffle and a fluffy towel for drying. And as you can see, it's not very big at all. Like I said, I got the wrong size, so it's not the company's fault but mine for not reading. So in conclusion, the rag company rags, they're pretty good. They're worth the money if you can afford them. I would invest the money in them. I'm going to be going back and getting some more rags. I'll try different rags out and do reviews on them. And so I'll let you guys know. And that's it for this video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.